Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wealth Window. Today, we are going to talk about financial literacy, what it means, and why it's important. In today's fast-paced world, financial literacy has become more crucial than ever. But what exactly does financial literacy mean? At its core, financial literacy refers to the ability to understand and effectively manage your financial resources. This includes everything from budgeting and saving to investing and understanding credit. With the complexities of modern finance, being financially literate empowers individuals to make informed decisions that can significantly impact their lives. Imagine navigating through life without a map. That's what managing your finances can feel like without the right knowledge. In a time when student loans, credit cards, and investment opportunities are abundant, understanding how to handle money is not just beneficial, it's essential. Financial literacy equips you with the tools to avoid debt traps, plan for retirement, and achieve your financial goals. As we dive deeper into this topic, we'll explore why financial literacy is not just a skill, but a necessity in today's economy. Whether you're a student just starting out, a young professional, or someone looking to improve your financial situation, grasping these concepts can lead to a more secure and fulfilling life. So, stick around as we unravel the importance of managing your finances wisely and how it can pave the way for a brighter financial future. Your journey to financial empowerment starts here. Understanding financial literacy. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, including budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. At its core, financial literacy encompasses the knowledge and skills necessary to make informed financial decisions. Budgeting helps individuals track their income and expenses, ensuring they live within their means. Saving is crucial for building an emergency fund and preparing for future goals, while investing allows individuals to grow their wealth over time through informed choices in stocks, bonds, and other assets. In today's complex economic landscape, the need for financial education has never been more pressing. With the rise of digital banking, online investments, and various financial products, individuals face a myriad of choices that can be overwhelming. By prioritizing financial literacy, we can empower ourselves and others to navigate these challenges confidently, ensuring a brighter financial future for everyone. Understanding financial literacy is not just a personal advantage. It's a vital skill that can uplift entire communities. Being financially literate offers a multitude of advantages that can significantly enhance both personal and financial well-being. One of the primary benefits is improved decision-making. When individuals understand financial concepts, they are better equipped to evaluate their options, whether it's choosing the right credit card, investing in stocks, or planning for retirement. This informed decision-making leads to greater financial security, as individuals can avoid pitfalls like high-interest debt and unnecessary expenses. In the long run, financial literacy contributes to wealth accumulation. By understanding the principles of saving and investing, individuals can make strategic choices that grow their assets over time. Moreover, the empowerment that comes from understanding financial concepts cannot be overstated. When people grasp how money works, they gain confidence in their ability to navigate financial challenges. This empowerment fosters a proactive approach to finances, encouraging individuals to set and achieve their financial goals, whether that's buying a home, funding education, or planning for retirement. It is important to understand common financial mistakes so you can overcome them. Many individuals fall into common financial pitfalls, often due to a lack of financial literacy. One of the most prevalent mistakes is overspending. Without a clear understanding of budgeting, people may find themselves living beyond their means, accumulating debt that can spiral out of control. This overspending can lead to high-interest credit card balances and financial stress, making it difficult to achieve long-term goals. Another frequent error is inadequate saving. Many people underestimate the importance of having an emergency fund or saving for future expenses. Without sufficient savings, unexpected costs, like medical bills or car repairs, can lead to financial turmoil. This lack of preparation can force individuals to rely on credit, further exacerbating their financial situation. Poor investment choices also plague those who lack financial knowledge. Many individuals may invest in high-risk ventures without fully understanding the implications, leading to significant losses. Alternatively, they might miss out on opportunities for growth by keeping their money in low-interest accounts instead of exploring better investment options. The consequences of these mistakes can be severe, impacting not only personal finances, but also overall quality of life. However, the good news is that these errors can serve as valuable learning experiences. By recognizing and understanding these common financial pitfalls, viewers can take proactive steps to avoid them. Educating oneself about financial principles is the first step toward making informed decisions and achieving financial stability. Embrace the journey of learning to secure a brighter financial future. Now that you understand what financial literacy is, let's talk about how you can achieve it. Enhancing your financial knowledge is an empowering journey, and there are numerous resources available to help you along the way. One of the best places to start is with books that focus on financial education. Titles like The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey and Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki offer valuable insights into budgeting, saving, and investing. These books provide practical advice that can be applied to everyday financial decisions. In addition to books, there are many websites dedicated to financial literacy. Websites like Investopedia and NerdWallet offer a wealth of articles, guides, and tools that cover a wide range of financial topics. For those who prefer structured learning, online courses from platforms like Coursera and Udemy provide comprehensive lessons on personal finance, investing, and money management. Don't overlook the value of community programs and workshops that promote financial literacy. Many local libraries, community centers, and nonprofit organizations offer free or low-cost workshops designed to educate individuals about managing their finances. These programs often provide hands-on learning experiences and the opportunity to ask questions in a supportive environment. Finally, it's essential to seek out credible sources for ongoing learning. Look for resources that are backed by financial experts or reputable organizations. By taking advantage of these tools and resources, you can build a solid foundation of financial knowledge that will serve you well throughout your life. Remember, the journey to financial literacy is ongoing, and every step you take brings you closer to financial empowerment. As we wrap up, I encourage you to engage with this content. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable insights on financial literacy and personal finance. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who could benefit from this information. Together, we can foster a community of financially savvy individuals who are equipped to make informed decisions and achieve their financial goals. Thank you for joining us, and remember, the journey to financial literacy is ongoing. Let's continue learning together. Take care.